Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked GMX account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to click on Account at the top right. Then you want to click Change Password. And here you can type in your new password and click Save Changes. If you're logged out, you can try accessing GMX from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you're unable to log in, then you would need to go and reset your password. If you're logged out, you want to head over to the GMX login page and you want to click Login at the top right. Then you want to click Forgot Password under email address. And you want to enter your GMX email address and complete the CAPTCHA and click Continue. And now it'll ask to send a text message to your phone number. So you want to click Send. And now you want to go check your phone for a code from GMX. And you want to click Confirm Code. And here you can type in your new password and click Save New Password. If your phone number was changed, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your phone number was changed, you want to head over to the GMX Contact Us page. It's on your screen now and it'll also be in the description as well. And you want to go ahead and fill out this form. And under Topic, you want to select Access/Login. And under Message/Question, you can use the prompt that I have in the video description and tweak it to your situation. And once you're done, you can click Send and wait for a response from GMX support. Once you regain access to your account, make sure to follow the security tips on your screen now to protect your account and prevent future hacks. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.